On my first day as mayor, I'll declare a state of emergency. It gives the mayor additional executive power, and it also sends a message to the community that this requires all of us in this emergency moment. I wrote a piece 4 years ago for the LA Times, and the piece said, if we had a disaster like an earthquake, there'd be a FEMA field general here in charge of recovery, that we have the equivalent of that disaster, it's homelessness, and no one is in charge. It was true then, it's true now, it needs to change. My first day, I appoint a top deputy who consolidates all the authority of the mayor's office, reporting directly to me on this issue. All my opponents have borrowed from these two ideas, but there's following and there's leading. I'm a leader now, I'll be a leader as mayor. I want to change our street engagement strategies. We should be saying to people experiencing homelessness, it is not safe for you here. 1,600 people died on our streets last year, and our public spaces need to be safe for everybody. So we have a place for you to go, but there'll be a choice date after which you cannot stay here to assure we balance that equation. And I want to emphasize the creation of permanent supportive housing using a private equity model that will build it faster and cheaper. In addition, I was the pioneer among elected officials 5 years ago in promoting the idea of converting motels into homeless and affordable housing. I'm going to be emphasizing that as mayor, it's cheaper and faster. I want to assure that the city and the county are working much more closely together on mental health and substance abuse. The doctor in charge of mental health for the county says we have an open air asylum on our streets, and we have 1,300 vacant substance use beds right now. Not on my watch. We're going to work together to change those things, and prevention is a key, because often we talk about what happens when people are already homeless, but we are needing to prevent people from falling into homelessness in the first place. I'm going to have a robust emergency fund to keep people from falling into homelessness. And as a lawyer, I've been prominent in creating a movement toward a right to counsel here in California. I've written key laws in Sacramento and promoted those ideas here. Those in combination are going to be important to keep people housed. So those are the steps I will take. As you can tell, they are very different from the steps being taken now.